Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Kawasaki's legacy of creating motorcycles that have unrivaled performance, excitement, and Sugomi styling continues with a flagship model of the Kawasaki Z line of sports motorcycles, the 2021 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-25R. Back in Japan's bubble era of the late 80s, a combination of Japanese license laws and an insatiable demand for technology led to a brief spate of exotic 250cc four-cylinder sportbikes. The Honda CBR 250R, Suzuki GSX-R 250, Yamaha FZR 250R, and Kawasaki ZX-R 250 were only offered for a few short years, briefly giving road-going riders the experience of bikes that revved as high as 20,000 RPM. Now Kawasaki is bringing those days back with the newly launched Ninja ZX-25R. The Ninja ZX-25R is equipped with an all-new engine design, a 250cc inline-4, liquid-cooled engine, the only one in its class. This new engine delivers performance that eclipses other 250cc models in the field. Direct throttle response and a flexible character that combines strong low-mid-range torque for city riding and intense high RPM power that can be enjoyed when track riding. High-spec ECU that uses the same base platform as the ZH2 and is loaded with Kawasaki's latest electronics. Showa SFFBP front fork. The Ninja ZX-25R's 37mm inverted front fork uses a Showa SFFBP, separate function fork big piston, front suspension. This offers riders the convenience of having separate adjustments to the damping and rebound versus traditional suspension systems that combine both in both forks. This advanced fork offers both racetrack performance and everyday usability. The first ever time that this feature was used on the 250cc class. WSBK-inspired chassis. Key chassis dimensions were inspired by Kawasaki's world superbike Ninja ZX-10R racing bike. Designed using Kawasaki's advanced dynamic rigidity analysis, the all-new lightweight trellis frame delivers the required balance of strength and chassis flex to achieve nimble super sport style handling. The Ninja ZX-25R also comes with an arched swing arm design. This swing arm design enables the short silencer to be positioned more centrally, contributing to better balance and adding to its stylish, sporty looks. The handling and the braking duties are taken care of by 4-piston 310mm front and single-piston 220mm rear disc brakes. Kawasaki Traction Control. The Ninja ZX-25R is the first 250cc model to feature traction control. Provides enhanced sport riding performance and peace of mind under certain riding conditions to prevent accidents on low traction surfaces. Comes in 3 modes. Mode 1 is for near-perfect road conditions, Mode 2 is for normal riding conditions, and Mode 3 is for highly slippery conditions. Modes 1 and 2 prioritize maximum acceleration, while Mode 3 prioritizes maximum stability. The ZX-25R sports an aggressive stance highlighted by split LED headlamps, semi-digital instrument panel that includes an analog tachometer, and a digital display for other essential readouts.
That looks super cool.
Yeah, it is cool. It's like a small version of our race bike.
Yeah, I like the aggressive styling.
Yeah, I do like the new colours this year. The gold and the honeycomb effect on the side. It looks really good.
Should I take it for a ride?
Yeah, I think you should take it for a spin. See what she feels like.